Today on Bratayley.
Oh, I just smelled that. Oh no.
It's time for Bratayley.
We're going to say goodbye to the girls. Let's go downstairs. Come on. Let's go some. Say goodbye to the girls. Come on. It's goodbye to the girls time. Andy, you're going to be sad if you don't say goodbye to them.
I'm gonna be sad.
Piper, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hello, little one. Winnie, come on. Come on, Winnie.
Okay, say goodbye.
She said goodbye to you guys. It's time to go bye-bye. That's all you needed, Winnie?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Hayley. Bye-bye.
I have to go brush my teeth.
Okay, so do I.
Okay, really?
They're waiting patiently for them to get the okay to come down. Will one of them break through and decide just to go early? Are they gonna get the okay? Eventually? Oh boy!
Oh gosh.
Oh boy!
Come on.
Their first road trip!
Winnie.
Oh, they're getting in that door?
Oh, they're in the mat. You're so
Help her. Yeah. Oh! She got up by herself. It's your new room!
They love it. Oh, that's Piper's favorite.
It's your room for 3 days.
Look at all those toys back there.
Oh, look at those. That's what.
You gonna take those to Nani's house?
Look where Winnie's going.
They have some of their old toys now?
They don't need their own toys.
Oh my god. Are you so excited?
Can we get some air back here? Are you guys so excited?
I'm so excited for you guys. I'm coming with you. Did you know? Surprise! Ow!
Oh,
Surprise!
hope you guys have everything you need.
Stop. Do they have their water?
Yeah, he's got stuff for water. He's got stuff for food.
Hi, welcome to Okay.
Toys. Got a blanket all spread down.
Stop.
And you guys need seat belts.
Did you already see
They make seat belts for dogs.
Piper's
Piper's already got a toy. That's so exciting.
You're already on a road.
We're gonna start the car, don't worry.
They were really worried.
Got their toys.
Piper already got a toy.
See?
No, like a new one.
But those smell like their backyard.
You went to the backyard?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
What's that? Oh, hi. Piper's like, why is that closing? Look, there's an opening right here.
When he's like, I requested air condition.
That's Winnie's territory. This is gonna be Piper's territory. And
yeah.
Gigi's just everywhere.
Gigi's just probably like right here.
All right, let's go, girls.
No.
No, give me a kiss. You love me.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
You guys are gonna have so much fun on your adventure to
A
grandma's.
little so you guys can see it.
Richard grandmas.
We can open the garage. Bye, puppies.
Puppies, they need air conditioning. It's hot there. Daddy, they need air conditioning.
I'm sorry.
She just loves my nails. Okay, you guys, this is weird because we had to turn all the lights on in the house, and it's really weird for me to walk out of a room and like I keep going to turn them off.
All the doors opened.
I think so. So there's a showing for the house. So while the house is showing, Hayley and I are gonna go to ice cream, maybe go to Target. Oh, there's a thing of dust up there that I can't. Oh wait, if I go upstairs, I can reach it. We're supposed to leave all the doors open, like not closets, and turn the lights on. Apparently that like welcomes you home. It's just dust. It's weird because I just walked out and I went to turn the lights out. I can't stand it. But we'll turn them all off when we get back. Annie's hanging with Katie and I think Miss Jill and their family. I don't know what they're doing. And so Hayley and I decided that this would be a good opportunity to go get some ice cream. We're gonna just throw it in the trash. Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah.
We're getting Rita's, and I want chocolate with chocolate sprinkles.
Yeah. What is it? Like China chocolate? It's like the
It's just milk chocolate.
No, it's like the
The kind of ice cream? It's like custard?
Custard!
Yeah,
Custard!
We're getting frozen custard at Rita's. I hope the house looks great. We just straightened up. Hayley did the living room. But like the house, like I want it to stay like this. Looks so good. When we get home, let's just like sit on the couch and not move.
Mommy, come on, let's go.
Okay, let's not live in the house.
Go.
Okay, let's go. Well, hello.
I'm
We've
about
got-
to take an Instagram picture.
we've got our
or not
ice cream.
A Snapchat picture because look, it's so cute. It's like out of the ordinary.
It's one little pink sprinkle. Yeah, stand out in the crowd, you guys. Be like this one pink sprinkle on Hayley's ice cream. When the world where you can be anything, it really is the saying is in a world where you can be anything, be kind. But I say in a world where you can be anything, be original. And be kind. Not for a second saying don't be kind. Be kind and original. Be yourself. Be kind. Always stay humble and kind. Love that song.
Perfect. It's in the
You got it? Where are you putting this? Snap or Insta?
Snap.
Oh, you don't have a Snap. Did you just eat that off your knee?
Yes.
Cool. Follow Hayley's Instagram. Even though by the time you see this, this is expired. The story's expired. But are you Hayley LeBlanc? I always get everybody's
No, Hayley Dot.
Twitter and
No.
your
Wait, what am I?
No, you're Hayley Dot
Dot
LeBlanc.
LeBlanc.
Follow her. Give her a little follow. Because you're almost at 3 million, right? Yeah. And you can stay up to date with Hayley's pink sprinkles. We left a little early
And
because I didn't want to be like get out of the house late, and if they came early and we're still there, like that would be awkward.
Oh yeah.
It's a what?
It's a mini locker.
A mini locker.
It has a code, and I know it.
You know the code. How'd you guess it? Oh. 0000.
Mommy, this is amazing.
Oh.
I'm already getting some.
Did you bring your money?
No, but
Your backpack? Remember we got you that backpack? Oh, of course.
No, I can pay you back with that.
With what? That's the only thing you can pay me back with. Hugs are no good here. Hugs are good for when you just want to give me a hug.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Come here, come here.
What?
Yes, maybe no.
Oh, I love that. Helps you choose, helps you stay organized.
Yes, maybe. And no.
What kind of accent did you just do?
American.
Your American accent.
Look at that.
Oh, there's
I'm not gonna touch that. And these are the LOL surprise doors. What the heck? LOL surprise doors.
that was Irish.
Irish. $9,900.
That was a little German, maybe?
All right, guys, we're on the road. Been on the road for a couple hours. This is going to be the hard part, though. This is the part where I have to get out and let each one of the dogs go to the bathroom. So this should be fun. See how this goes. And then we'll get back on the road again. All right, guys, we're still in the parking lot. That was unsuccessful. Only Piper went to the bathroom. So hopefully they get better at this as the next days of the trip go on, because if not, they're gonna either pee in this car or be very hurting by the time we stop.
So as you can tell, my face is like a tomato.
It's really steamy.
It's really okay though. We're at the pool, and yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we're gonna like do
Can I fill these bowls
stuff.
with water?
Actually, yeah, kinda.
Let's do it.
Do you always do that?
Yeah, but then Catherine makes me mad at me, but you know what?
Yeah, she knows like
do it.
everybody here. So look at this. My face is like bright red. It's not like sunburn. It's just like it's hot. Yeah.
Adult Swim!
All right, guys, stop 2 of the first day. Gonna try to get the dogs to go to the bathroom again. Only Piper went last time. But we're not gonna go too much further because that's a long time for these dogs to be in the car. There's a little one. Hi, little one. He's back there. So we'll try to do the bathroom again, get more gas, and yeah, that's what they're doing. They actually were laying down. They only started all this as the car slowed down. So they slept for about an hour. Now it's time to see if they will go to the bathroom. That's the thing about on these trips.
Okay, Google, play Picture This by
Annie will book.
Because we can have a dance party with Annie's songs when she's not here.
I saw you online, now you're showing up like all of the time. Yeah, I think you know what I'm saying. Get out of my mind and get yourself right into my life. Cause the truth is I'm tired of waiting. I like you right now, not saying it's forever. And all I'm thinking about is we go good together. Picture this, you and me doing those things we won't forget. Walking on the beach just waiting for the sun to set. Drawing hearts in the sand with your hands wrapped around my hips. I could picture this. Say ooh la la, here we are. Come a little closer cause I like you so far. Picture this.
I'm so tired from that. What are we doing today, Mommy? This is just content. Oh, no, I'm zooming in. Canon zoom lens. Well, if you were wondering, we showed our house and we're back. Just for the record, I think my house is haunted. I'm kidding.
Hey.
So what, we are going to the amusement park today. We are having a blast. I'm kidding. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. Well, I got some Bean Boozled. Well, I don't know what to do, so I'm deciding to play Bean Boozled. So we have the little spinny thingy, the Bean Boozled. We have our spit cup. Okay. This one is lime and lawn clippings. Okay, this one is not that bad. I heard it's like either way. I mean, it's good, but also heard that lime is worse than lawn clippings. So this is either lawn clippings or lime. It's lawn clippings. It's a different taste. I don't know why I like it. I don't know why I was chewing it. Okay, well that was a fun one. So these are the easy ones. Caramel corn or moldy cheese. Great, but it definitely looks like moldy cheese. Here you go. You're kidding. Oh, I just smelled that. Oh, that's horrible. That was definitely moldy cheese. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg. Okay, this is the thing. I just found it. So it looks like it has butter on it, which I'm not trusting. So here we go. I'm scared. Ow, I just touched my eyeballs. Ow! We're good. Okay, here we go. Hi. Okay. I don't want to. I don't like. I'm done. Fail. I don't even know if I want to. What if I just don't? No, I have to. I have to do this. This is my only chance. So I actually have it in my hand. Don't worry, guys. I'm not cheating, and I'll tell you if it's gone. Guys, I'm scared. I think I got butter popcorn. Oh no! Well, that's the end of our game. Come back next time on. So what I'm gonna do, scooping it into the little thing, and then now let's go and throw this away. Well, we're not gonna throw all of it away. Tell Madre. Let's go and tell her. Tell her that what I did.
Wait.
You got some good content.
Got good content?
I have Bean Boozled. Yeah, some good content.
Thanks, friend.
What are you doing?
I was just sitting here enjoying the view.
All right, I'm gonna do a quick room tour. The dogs are in the air-conditioned car. Just a little room. Should be perfect for them. I'll put a bed down for them right here. They can lay on the couch. And, wow, I can't see anything. It's dark. Little bathroom. There you go. I know it's not as exciting as when the girls do a room tour.
So we just went jet skiing.
Oh my gosh, my hair.
Our hair
all
is
the way
like,
down there.
Hello.
That's slick.
And yeah, it's really pretty out.
The seagulls like squawked right as you said it's really pretty. Right, just like that.
And yeah, we've been doing this. I thought I was going to die, but it's okay.
It's okay. We stayed below
We also
35.
went down like to a little beach and there's like a bunch of seaweed and I thought I was gonna get bit by a snake.
Really scary.
It's been a great day.
Yeah, it's been a great day.
So my feet are casually dying, literally hurting. We're barefoot, but it's okay. They're thriving
Shoes
at the
are
same
overrated.
time. As so says Katie's bio. Just change that. So, ow,
Nice.
ow,
Nice.
ow,
Nice.
ow. Okay, so we are just heading back and ah, that was a bee. Okay, cool, bye.
This could only mean one thing.
Oh, by the way, I'm back. I didn't film that I was on my way back. Sorry.
Oh, she just appeared.
Hi.
You guys, we are packing. Look at this. Look at all this. It's gotta, like,
That was Riley.
get in here. I didn't even hear anything, and all of a sudden you're like,
It
Riley?
was Riley. Look.
Well, Annie, you texted her.
I
So,
didn't.
yes, you did. You
Yeah, I
said
did.
they're planning a sleepover for literally tomorrow night.
Yes, but you asked to sleep over.
Before it. Maybe she wants to sleep over after, in between Indy's
But didn't you ask to stay over the
your
night
launch
before?
party for your bracelet. Shameless plug while Annie's trying to do this. Go click in the link. Oh, or the eye. Wait, can you, maybe the eye. Can you click off of YouTube with the eye? Or in the description, and you can shop Annie's bracelet. I don't think we've talked about Annie's bracelet on
Night of.
the night of,
So Sunday night?
so before your, so she'll just come to your launch party with us.
Oh.
Sunday night, after the party.
Gotcha. After
That makes more sense.
party.
Since we'll see them at the party and then she'll just come home with us. You guys are gonna get a close-up look when we get back to LA. Annie's bracelets from the photo shoot are there. We didn't show you because it was a secret, but when we get home, we'll show you a sneak peek of the bracelets. Have we vlogged about your bracelet? I don't think we have. We've only announced it on Instagram. But listen, guys, I'm excited about these bracelets because when we first, like,
I can bring this.
decided to do it,
carry-on, right?
we wanted to make sure, we're having two different conversations. We wanted to make sure they were like good quality bracelets. And so when Annie was designing it, that was like one of the most important things. And when we received the first bracelet in the mail, it was like better than we thought. It's like good weight to it. It's not like cheap and light. There's my lighter. Hayley fell asleep after dinner, and so she's a little grouchy. She's awake now. And
I didn't fall asleep after dinner. So, where does that leave me?
no one asked you. All right, anyway, guys, we're packing. We go back to LA tomorrow for Annie's launch party, and then Hayley is filming. I don't know if this is a secret, but probably not. What season are we on Manny? Season 3?
Where's my other one?
Anyway, a new season of Manny. What are you looking for?
My pencil case.
Oh, your pencil case. I saw it. Did I put it in here when I was cleaning? Check in there. Hayley's bag. I was just cleaning and trying to get everything up. All right, guys, that's your update. This suitcase is going to be full soon.
You did.
We fly out tomorrow. Annie is happy but sad.
No. I just want to see Riley.
Well, you're gonna. Okay. Nice chat.
Oh yeah, but we do have like Indy's birthday party, which I could look forward to, and the release thing. So I was like, okay, maybe I'm
Kind of
kind
happy.
of happy.
Okay. It's okay to miss Maryland. And all your friends.
Wait,
And your chair. Who are you hugging?
the air needs to be loved too.
All right, my friends.
So nice.
We are packed. Outfit for tomorrow. And she got it all. I don't know how she did it, but look, what's wrong?
Oh, it's so hard. What? What did you do? That. Oh, that. That's like my whole wardrobe here. Okay, well that's fine. I take everything with me.
She's not leaving anything? You don't have to. Odds are we'll be back here. It's not, I mean,
turning into
like
a
to
mini
say
fridge.
goodbye to the house eventually. But that's not an announcement. The house still hasn't sold, so
So yeah, there's my outfit. This jacket, this shirt, and these shorts for tomorrow.
And I am ready to go to bed because it's like 11 o'clock at night, later than that.
LA, I want to start like getting candles.
Okay, that's a good idea. Y'all, let's think of a question of the day. That's a good idea, Hayley. Let's do what is your favorite scent?
Oh, yeah. Mine is either like a beachy, like
Oatmeal
waves,
cookie or warm sugar.
or coffee.
I do not like coffee.
Oh, that's the best.
My favorite scent is like, mine's upstairs and I don't remember what it is. Like lavender, but I like a good old oatmeal cookie.
Oh, yeah, that's a good
So
one.
that's good. Ah, we're gonna say goodnight to the dog.
Is he sleeping?
Probably, because he's got to drive more tomorrow.
He should probably.
Comment down below what your favorite smell is.
Comment down below what we want to know the question of the day is.
Yeah.
What's your favorite smell?
He's sleeping.
And you guys, expect a
Are you
good
filming anything?
travel vlog. I'm an expert.
Oh yeah, you are, aren't you?
I'm an expert. I'm not even half paying attention. I'm half paying attention. I'm still got it. Expect some travel vlogs tomorrow because
And then
we're headed back to LA.
we'll be in LA.
And Indy's birthday party's coming up soon.
My birthday?
I'm going in order. Hayley, we've got to get picnic stuff if you really want to have a picnic.
I know.
And then Annie's bracelet launch party, and then Manny, and then Haley's birthday.
A month.
You're gonna be double digits, and I can't handle this.
Your
Guys-
birthday's until like 3 months.
I know. Maybe 14.
No, we're not talking about 10 and 14.
15. And then 16.
We'll see you tomorrow. I'm not gonna let them talk about this. I'm going to bed. Guys, love you all. Good night.
way.
See you
That's how
tomorrow.
you count? I didn't know that.
Quit being so sarcastic.
Bye. Okay. No. How dramatic I was over her just touching my nose.
Good night, guys.
Good night. Always remember to celebrate life. Everybody sing on. I am a baked potato, baked potato, baked potato. Thanks for watching Bratayley.